Hey guys, today I'm making my own chicken stock. I use chicken stock in a lot of my recipes and I wanted to see how easy it would be. Plus, you'll find that it is a great money saver by making your own. So let's get to it. Chicken stock. All right, let's get started. So it's such an easy recipe to do and it's so worth your time and effort. Really all you're gonna do is chop up your veggies, your carrots, and cut those in half, big chunks, followed by your green onion. You'll just really chop the end off. Add that in, and then you will add one full onion. You can quarter that. As you'll notice, mine is already diced up in freezer bags. I do that as a quick little time saver for me for when I'm cooking. I chop up onions, bell peppers, celery, and even carrots. Just a little time saver for you. You should really try it. I said it really does improve your time in the kitchen, and it's just very convenient. So after you add your onion, you'll add probably 3 stalks of celery, 2 sprigs of rosemary, and 1 full head of garlic. Once that's all in the pot, then you will add your chicken. Usually a lot of times people use chicken bones. I didn't have any on hand, so I'm using these chicken legs. So again, you're just gonna really use what you have on hand. You're also gonna make you like a little herb pouch with some cheesecloth. You'll get to use whatever herbs that you like. Me, I'm using today parsley and thyme. And you'll make that little pouch and just throw it in the pot. Next, you'll just add your water, and you want to totally submerge your veggies and chicken. The more water you use, the more broth you'll have in the end. It's not really going to reduce that much. And you're gonna simmer that for 5 hours. Once your broth or stock is simmered down after your 5 hours, everything's gonna be nice and wilted and soft. You'll need to get your colander out with your cheesecloth so that you can drain it. Put a bowl underneath and ladle out your veggies and your chicken so that it will be a lot easier for you to pour in the colander. You won't have anything splashing on you because this is going to be very hot as you pour it in. And so lastly, the only thing that's left to do next is to fill up your containers. Oh, one note. Sometimes there will be a film that's on top of your stock. I don't really have that on this one, so I really didn't have to do that. Also, I bought 32-ounce containers that are freezable. And with this recipe that I made, I ended up with 5 containers. And really fill them all up and you're done. Again, like I said, I made some chicken broth from this stock. I'm sorry, chicken and dumplings from this stock. And it really gave it just a fantastic flavor. So give it a try and I promise you it'll be worth it.